Hello friends, welcome to this session. In this session, we are going to learn about astringent. Astringents, these are the preparations which can precipitate the proteins. Very first of all, these are the preparations which brings about the protein precipitation when applied to the damaged skin, topically or to the mucous membrane of the GIT, including the mouth. There are examples of astringents like zinc sulfate, potassium. The mechanism of action of astringent generally. Due to the precipitation, they reduces the cell permeability and inhibit the transcapillary movement of the plasma proteins. This helps to reduce the local edema and inflammations. Mucus secretions is also found to get reduced. The mechanism of astringent, these are the metal would form complexes with the various polar functional groups that are present on the protein or an enzyme, and that can causes a drastic changes in the properties of the proteins. In general, astringent compounds do exhibit their actions in four ways. First, styptic action, by stopping of bleeding by coagulation of blood and constriction of small capillaries. Second, by acting by anti-inflammatory action by decreasing the supply of the blood to the tissues, and they prevent the spreading of the inflammations. Another, they act by the antiperspirant action, that is by decreasing the secretions of the perspiration by reducing the pore size of the skin. And last one is the antimicrobial action, that means by protein precipitation mechanisms these astringents act. So this is the protein molecule having the polar groups to which the metal ion form the complexes, and that will precipitate out these proteins. The first example of astringent is zinc sulfate. The molecular formula is ZnSO4 with the 7 water molecular weight 287.6. It does not have less than 55.6% and not more than 61% of zinc sulfate. Preparation, it is obtained by heating zinc sulfate in presence of air. Under specific condition, the heated mass is dissolved in the hot water, filtered, and solution is concentrated by crystallization. Zinc sulfate plus 2 molecule of oxygen, that will give the formation of zinc sulfate. Properties, it form colorless transparent crystals, prisms or needles, or as a granular crystalline powder. It is odorless with an astringent and metallic taste. It is very soluble in water and glycerin, but insoluble in alcohol. Storage, it is preserved in well-closed container in a cool place. Assay, it is acid by gravimetrically and accurately weighed amount of substance. It is acid gravimetrically and accurately weighed amount of substance of about 1 gram is dissolved in 100 ml of water. Then this solution is heated to about 90 degrees. The hot solution with the constant stirring, solution of sodium carbonate is added until there occurs complete precipitation of zinc carbonate. The precipitated zinc carbonate solution is boiled for a few minutes, filtered through gauge crucible, which is washed with the hot water until it is free from algae. The residue is dried, ignited, and wet. Each gram of residue is equivalent to 1.984 gram of zinc sulfate. The uses of zinc sulfate, usually it is used internally as an emetics, acting upon vomiting reflexes. Externally, it is used in the solution and powders as an astringent. For ophthalmic purpose, 0.25% weight by volume solution is employed. The aqueous solution of zinc sulfate is also employed for the protein precipitation. However, the eye solutions are prepared without or borate buffer or acidic. The another preparation, potassium molecular formula is AlKSO4, 12 water molecules. Molecular weight is 474.39. Potassium is also known as potassium alum or potassium aluminum sulfate. It is a chemical compound, and the potassium doubles the sulfate and aluminum. It is prepared by mixing the two solutions, aluminum sulfate and potassium sulfate, together in the equimolar proportions. After boiling together, they are mixed together and cooled. That will give the formation of potassium. Properties: potassium is white crystalline powder or granules, odorless. The alum potassium crystallizes in regular octahydrate with the flattened corners and is very soluble in water. The uses of potassium in general, these are useful. Potassium is having wide variety of uses. It is also useful for the purification of drinking water as a chemical flocculant. In static pencil, it stops the bleeding from the minor cuts and adjuvant in vaccines. Deodorants rock means as a natural deodorant by inhibiting the growth of bacteria responsible for body odor. Pickling agent to help the keep pickles crisp. Flame retardant, the acidic component of some types of baking powders. It is also useful as an ingredient in some homemade and commercial modeling clay. An ingredient in some depilatory hair removal waxes. Skin whitener to remove the pimples and acne. As an ingredient in some brands of the toothpaste. After saying to the prepare the skins. So thank you.